Welcome. Are you staring at a blank sheet of paper where your letter of motivation for a German university program should be? Are you finding it hard to start or finish your letters of motivation just because you don't know what to cover? Are you wondering what you need to write to impress German professors and improve your admissions chances? If so, you're in the right place. My name's Nathaniel, and I will be your My German University host for our course on how to write a letter of motivation. By the end of this course, you will know everything there is to know about LOMs for German universities, from the earliest planning stages to editing your final drafts. You will gain the ability to write a truly convincing letter of motivation, improving your application chances for whatever goal you have, whether it be a master's program, a DAAD scholarship, or a visa application. First off, a bit about me and the rest of the team. I'm from the United States, and after completing my bachelor's degree in the US and UK, I came to Germany to complete a dual master's degree in political science and social policy at the University of Bremen. Since graduating, I now work with the rest of the My German University team to help students around the world. We want you to get admitted to your desired study programs, win prestigious scholarships, and become highly successful students in Germany, just as we did. Our entire team has deep personal and professional experience in the German university landscape. Our founders, Toby and Stefan, worked for years on behalf of the DAAD, Germany's prestigious academic exchange service. As directors of the DAAD offices in Italy and Peru, they have chaired dozens of scholarship selection committees and know firsthand which motivation letters impress German professors and which ones don't. On the other hand, we have ourselves written highly successful LOMs, securing our acceptances at top universities and for some of the most selective scholarships in the world, including Fulbright, DAAD, and the German Public Foundations. You will learn from our years of experience and the combined expertise that our German and international team members have gathered from reading, writing, and evaluating hundreds of letters of motivation. Now, you may be wondering at this point, so what does that mean in concrete terms? Well, you will avoid the major mistake that many international students make, submitting a poor LOM. Did you know that even very good students with excellent GPAs often fail at writing convincing letters of motivation? Simply because they underestimate the importance of writing a tailor-made letter for that very program. 90% of the LOMs that German professors read either rewrite the CV, provide only boring and generic arguments, or, worst of all, copy and paste from the internet. Would you want to get rejected just because of one of these avoidable mistakes? Now for the light at the end of the tunnel. Because we have seen hundreds of bad and good LOMs for German university programs and scholarships, we can show you exactly what you should do and what errors to avoid. In this practical course, we will show you exactly how to write your LOMs step by step. From the preparatory research that's as important as the actual writing itself, to the essentials that you need to know about standards, length, and layout, and hands-on guidance through all the different sections that a letter of motivation needs to contain. And, as a bonus, you will get a template to structure your LOMs and a checklist to make sure that you avoid all fatal errors. The goal of this course is simple: ensuring that not just the style, but also the content of your LOMs is top-notch, elevating your LOMs from mediocre to impressive, and increasing your chances of admission. If you want to stick with us and take your letters of motivation to the next level, sign up for the other free demo videos available for this course or enroll now. Again, we welcome you, thank you for your support, and wish you a very happy LOM writing process.